Hello friends, today we'll be learning how to make a wavy looking Indian tricolor flag. So here we'll be using some of the logics of 3D designing. So let's continue and see like how to do that and how to make this thing. So happy 73rd Republic Day. So let's start the video. Right now we are onto the platform. Let's first of all edit the grid to 0.1 mm for being more precise. So let's start making the kind of wavy Indian tricolor flag. So how to do that we'll be checking out over here. So for that, first of all we will be taking this this cube over here. So I will be just enlarging it accordingly like how we want it to be. So right now I'm not taking any of the dimensions, so I'm just taking it as it is. Now to make it more wavy, we need to add some waves into it. So how we can add it? By using this tool of cylinder like this. These waves are fine. Align it accordingly. We need to fix it with this one. We need to attach it with this, so it should be of its height. So what is the box height? We need to check it out. So let's keep it 60 so that they both be same. So they both are same now. So I need to shrink the size of this one now a little bit, and then after again giving the height of 60 because that was not big. Yeah, it's looking fine. Let's put it a little bit inside like that. We don't want that much wavy format over here. Now I will be dragging it by holding Alt, and then after dragging the object, like pressing Alt key on my keyboard and dragging like this. So I will get another cylinder from here. So at this point I will be like placing it at this angle over here where they both touch each other like in this way. Okay, so that I want this part of the flag of this object. So for that, this one sphere I will deduct, or I will subtract this cylinder from this thing. So let's subtract this first of all. Okay, it got subtracted from there. Now this one I will be adding into the thing. So let's add both of the thing. Okay, I have joined. Okay, so I got a wavy structure over here. So let's see what next we can do with this. Now we are almost done with the flag thing, so we will be now subtracting the whole thing with this. So in the starting I will be like taking a short stem of this like this. Okay, now expanding it as much as you want, because that is just for subtraction, so no need to take any measures for that. So now it's done over here. Now what's next is I will be subtracting it from the other side also. Yeah, like this, up and expand it back, because we don't want any residue to be left behind. So I'm taking this much over here, a little bit like this. Okay, selecting both and deducts. Okay, now we got this kind of we can say that structure or object over here. So what we'll be going to do now, selecting this, just duplicate and drag it. I just pressed Ctrl D, it got duplicated, and now we will be, by holding shift, we'll be pressing left arrow key like this. So we got this kind of object over here. We want very thin of it, so it will be like this. Okay, I am just putting this like this so that it should have an edge over here. Now this object which is selected, don't duplicate but make it as a whole. If you make it as a whole, it will subtract the whole thing out. So let's check it out. Yeah, so we are having our flag right now in front. So now you can shrink the size to make it multicolored. Okay, so if you want to expand it, like you don't want that much, that a lot curved thing over here, you can expand it to make it a little bit over, like, side. So I don't want that one right now. So what I will do, I will just add a stem to it. Okay? The stem is important because it needs to be fit inside the stem of the flag, the metal rod where we raise the flag. So I need to make a stem as a whole. So I have an object, but I won't go with that. I will be sticking to this. So let's do like this, Control D. Then after shrinking the inside body, then expanding it, holding both, align by pressing L or on the top icon. Then after I am holding inside, yeah, this one will be as a whole joined together to make it as a pipe. So now I will be shrinking this down, and what is the height of this object? It's 18. Let's make it 20 so that it will be even for my things to do. Okay, so it's done. You can place it like this now. So as the thing is coming inside, so what we will be going to do, we will be subtracting that also. Let's get rid of that. So for that we will be using another box subtraction thing, and I think so it's fine. So let's join and let's arrange it accordingly. Okay, so I think so it's good, it's aligned properly. If you want to change anything on your side, you can do that also, but for me it's good. A little bit forward I need to do it. Yeah, okay, that's it. It's because it needs to be intact with this. Now this should be of I am taking it as a black color over here, and this one has an Indian Tricolored Flag. It is green. Its color will be kind of darker, and its color will be green, and joining both together. Okay, now clicking on the multicolor section. Okay, now we are done with this. After that we have a flags upper thing, so let's duplicate it and raise it up a little bit like this, so that accurately, yeah, like that. Okay, now what? Now we want like this to be a yellow colored thing. So for that we need to ungroup it. After ungrouping, select one of the thing, make it white, and then after select that and duplicate and make that multicolor. Okay, so same thing for up also. Control D, shift it up. Okay, it's done. Now degroup them or ungroup them, change the color to orange saffron. Yep, and again group them together. Multicolor selection, yes, that's done. So flag is almost completed. Now we need to join it together. It's joined now. We can place it anywhere. You can expand it so that it look more nicer. Now we are left with the center ring that we need the chakra over here, so that we haven't placed yet. So let's do that also, how to make it. So for that we'll be keeping the flag aside. Now taking first of all, how the chakras are, they having partly completed right now. I need to slice it again. Okay, like this, but in a little angular form. Okay, I got this angle. Now let's slice that up. Okay, mirror, another mirror I want to do. First of all, duplicate, make it as a mirror, then arrange it according to that. Okay, yeah, this much is fine. Okay, now let's first of all duplicate, putting an angle 13.8, and oh, let's once again look as duplicate, putting an angle 13.8, enter, and then after aligning it accordingly. Let's check it properly. Is it aligned center? Okay, now it will look like. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so there we go. We have all the lines available over here, so that's good. So now let's join them first of all. Control D, sorry, Control G. Yes, we have the alignment proper, so let's keep it aside and let's delete this one that got by mistakenly got added into that. Okay, so we need a sphere, sorry, this cylinder over here, and joining, centralizing them both. This, okay, clicking outside, making it go other side also, and join them together. Yes, we got a nice punch hole inside. Now we need an outer ring of this one. So for outer ring I will be using this object, so let's expand it. Sides will be high, so that should look like smooth. Wall thickness should be less as much as we can, so I'm keeping it to 0.2. Okay, height will be also 2, enter, and let's align with it. Is it coming in the correct path or not? No, it is not. So we need to expand it a little bit. Let's check out what is the dimension of this. This having 182.22. Control C. Add the dimension to this object now. 186, 186. Okay, I think now it will be aligned properly. Yep. Okay, so we are good to go with this. Let's join them together. Okay, so we are good to go with the thing. Okay, so it's a lot big, so let's shrink it down first of all. Okay, bring the flag near. More shrinking done. Okay, turn it upside like this way, place it up, and then after try to align it like how it is going inside. So for that, this should be very, like, it's not wavy as same as that, so we need to make it wavy similar to that. So how we can do that? So for that we need to first of all expand it like this. Expand it first of all, check it out where it is. fitting properly. We need to first of all align it with the flag. Here we will be using the nice logics to align the thing with the thing. So I will let you know how to do that also. So yeah, this is the perfect height where we want it to be. Okay, now what we need, the flag's body to do that thing. So first of all, place it aside over here right now, and let's take the flag, place it out away, take another flag, let's ungroup it. We want the upper half, and sorry, let's delete this one, ungroup. We will need the middle part of this. Now ungroup it also. We need multiple ungroups over here. We need the separate part. Yes, this one. Now from this we will be removing this part first, and then we need to be aligned together like this. Okay, now this one we need to be first of all ungroup this one. Yep. Okay, so this is the structure what we want over here. Yep. So let's put it inside like this, and we need two types of these structures. First keep other one aside, make this one as a hole, slice that thing. Okay, now it has been sliced. Now this one need to be halfway. Okay, we need a box over here. Let's add some logic into it. So this will become okay, let's make a slice inside for this, the box first of all. Go down, keep it up. Okay, now join these two together, the box and the wavy structure. Okay, now bring this forward. So this is how we got our design over here. Now making the box as a whole and joining these two together. So we got a slice, nice cutted slice which you can place into the flag. So let's using both as this one and this one to align properly first of all. Yeah, like this. But something went wrong. That thing goes inside. Lot in. It is from this part, I think so.